Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can install any app from your Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we have to come over our Windows section, and by this here you can install any of app by clicking on your right mouse button, and here you can see you will get install options over here. But sometimes it may be not appearing in your Windows. So I will tell you a universal rule that you can follow and install any apps from your Windows. So first come over these search options and search for control panel. Here you can click on it, and then you have to come over these programs and features options. Just click on it, and by this here you can see all of apps are installed in your Windows are appearing in this section. Here you can see. So I just want to show you how you can install by clicking on these Malwarebytes versions. After clicking on right mouse button, and here you can see install or change, just click on install, and here will be a Windows pop-up, install or change your application. Just click on yes. And by this here you can see the uninstall malware bytes. It's an app confirmations. Some of app don't appear with this kind of interface. Just do what they want. Just do the formalities to uninstall these malware bytes. It's all over a formality for uninstalling any app. If you choose any of this app from here, uninstall. If you choose any of this app from here, they will appearing with their formalities to install their app. So by this you can install any app from your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.